Surah Al-Fatiha Makkiyah. This is the first surah of the Holy Quran. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah, in the name of Allah, Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdu, all praise and thanks, Lillahi, be to Allah, Rabbi, the Lord, Al-Alameen, of the universe. All praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the universe. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. The most gracious, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki, the master. Yawm, of the day. Ad-Din, of the judgment. The master of the day of judgment. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. Wa iyaka, and you alone. Nasta'in, we ask for help. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina as-sirat wal mustaqim. Ihdina, guide us. As-sirat, to the faith. Al-Mustaqim, the straight. Guide us to the straight faith. صراط والذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. صراط, the faith. الذين, of those. An'amta, you have bestowed your favors. Alayhim, and them. Ghayril, not of. Al-Ma'zubi, those who earn your worth. Alayhim, and themselves. Walazwalin, and not of those who go astray. The faith of those on whom you have bestowed your favors, not the faith of those who earn your wrath, and not of those who go astray. Ameen.